50 would be nice. Anything there is pretty nice. Hey, we're gonna double. Oh, baby. Yeah. Anyway, that's a 2,000. Honestly, at this point, I don't even see anything bad.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
So bets for next round. Tony says, let's go, man. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Tony. Your positivity goes a long way. Bets clubs. Making stacks. Then we need some onesie top slots, baby. Cash on 5x will take that as well. Boom! Headshot! Shadow Wizard Money Gang. We like casting spells. Damn, son, where'd you find this? Ladies and gentlemen, I found it on Bubba. Just when you need him the most, the avatar finally shows up. Bold shows. 100 in the corner, second biggest 50. No, big connect. Make that a whopping 500 in the. We see 250s, 150. Every outcome is golden, ladies and gentlemen. Time to make our money back. I'm scrambling the board, folding the multipliers like an omelet, serving it hot to you. Time to pick your side. As always, cannon is preloaded, you aim, you take a 500 or the second biggest, everybody's happy. Now, if you don't feel too sure and you don't know where to aim or how to aim the cannon, you can always leave it to the bot, also known as RNG Jesus. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here is your 500.
This is the amount of money issued, 63,596 euros.
Oh, very good. Back to the wheel with 1,284. Now happy players. Bets reopen. Woo. Says 250 left. Nicely done, Tony. That's why you were always in all my sessions, taking all that sniper practice. Bets closed. How did everybody else do? Did we do good, ladies and gentlemen? Did we do good? You're welcome. You're welcome. Nicely done. For those who are patient, they eat the delicious pie, but wait.
Alright, number 2. Update all. Okay, last coin flip, 9. Last pachinko, 7. Last cash in from 5 to 100. Last crazy time, 75, 345. Today's highest win, 500x on cash in. Have a pachinko with a 4x top slot. Yeah! Excuse me for shouting so loud, but I've been waiting for this moment for so long. What's up, big man? What's up? Right, so let's see the multiplier. We begin with 3. That's going to be 12, 28, 40, 60, 80, 100, 200, 400, and even a double. What now, huh? What now, cuz? Nah, I'm way too excited. It's gonna be like 12, I think. I hope not. Please don't disappoint, please. Oh man, we're dropping like right over the 200. Oh, this could be so good. Please. Please, I need this. I need this. I need this. I need this. Good luck. Please, 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 please. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Please, 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 big man. Please.
This is the amount of money issued, 129,132 euros.
Pachinko! Congrats to all the winners of the previous round. Let's go again.
€3 win bets open. Not bad at all. Ain't no complaints on that. Ain't no complaints on that, on my part. By the way, the chat needs to refresh again, so I can't see the latest messages from you guys. Just saying. Let's close. Oh, we hit the crazy time with a 4x top slot, baby. All right, let's go. Boom. Let's go to crazy time. What you waiting for? Come on. All right, welcome to Crazy Time, to the biggest wheel that we have. As you can see, it's big, 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 big. All right. Not bad, I'd say. Of course, with a 4x top slot as well. About whom? You pointing the coin flip? What do you mean I'm pointing the coin flip? What do you mean by that? All right, decision time. Green, blue, or yellow. Pick one of them. If you don't pick, the auto pick will pick for you. Blue is the most popular one. Yellow is close behind. All right, 800x is the max one. Let's go for it, baby.
This is the amount of money issued 41,085 euros.
All right, 80x on the green, 200x on the blue, and 80x on the yellow. Hey, that's not bad at all. 643 winners. Let's go back. Hi. All right. Ain't no complaints. You're welcome. Hey, I ain't complaining on that one. How many minutes? An hour? Let's go somewhere around an hour. By the way, welcome newcomers. Welcome.
Man, I'm dead. Betting time open. We go again. Simply, we just go again. There's nothing else to it. Hog 2. Just gotta give him that hog 4 and spin on that thing. You know what I'm saying? Crazy time with a 3x top slot would be pretty good, but we are just way too fast for that to happen. Oh man, we got a number 1. Oh wait, what a break! What a break! I wanted a number 1. I'll see you on the other side, ladies and gents. Hello from the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to rumble? Woo, 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 woo! First crazy time of the session with a 3x top slot. Very good, very nice. Decision time is now open. Pick your poison. Pick your color, basically, is what I mean by saying pick your poison. I mean, pick your color. The most popular, as always, blue, and blue, and blue, and only blue. Max multiplier 300. Let's give it up. Push.
This is the amount of money issued 113,105 euros.
Let's go! 300x on blue! Usually I'd say me and my homies, we hate the color blue, but man, oh man, 300x can change anyone's mind. Lovely jubbly. One of the first times when getting a Felicia Best, let's go down. What is that there? What
to teach language or are you talking there, Sultan? Let's keep going, shall we? Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, this looks you. Did you say hello in Tagalog? Tagalog? I think you need to say Tagalog. I think that's how you say it, yeah? You got a cash from the 7X top slot? That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. We got a cash from 7X top slot. Sheesh! Let's go. Welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Cash Hunt 7X top slot. That's nice. That's nice. Let's see what our maximum multiplier is gonna be. Okay, 100x. So that means maximum multiplier is gonna be 700x. 7 times it all. Yes. Boom! Right there. Maximum multiplier 700x. Let's start it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start it all. So first of all, we had the multipliers. Then we're gonna mishmash all around, all around the board, so we don't know where they are, where the maximum multiplier is. Ladies and gentlemen, so yeah, there it is. It's time for you to make your decision. So please do, please do. Please select one of these icons here. If you don't select in time, it's going to be selected randomly. Hopefully that 700x multiplier is right there behind that multiplier. Well, behind that icon you choose. So ladies and gentlemen, let's reveal it all.
This is the amount of money issued, 38,458 euros.
Especially those who got that 700x, and let's get back.
Hi. 5,200 players on strong and on the first place for Sansma on your side. Hello, Sophie. Are you happy? Hey, I'm super duper happy to see you here. And moreover, that you're so cool, lovely, friendly, polite, and caring. 5X on cash. Extra! Woo woo! Woo woo woo! Woo woo! Baby! Summer magic fairy begin! 5X! Have you heard about that? 500 max multiplier as well. There is 250, 75, 100, and woo! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da! Woo! Thank you. That's gotta be real hunt mode. Okay. So choose any icon that looks at you. Behind each icon gotta be a multiplier. That's amazing. Triple digit multiplier almost everywhere. Oh yeah. Time goes back so slowly.
This is the amount of money issued, 336,523 euros.
Sparkling 500 third row from bottom. 67 players catches 500. 7,069 players on strong duty. 23,083.98 got the highest money ones. That's in time. Da 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 da. Beep ba 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 da ba. Ba 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 da ba. Beep ba 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 da ba. Ba 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 da ba. Bets are closed. Good luck. Ooh, Forex and Crazy Time segment. Don't go as crazy time. No, I was trying to work out in that logic I said. Oh, it works. It works. You see, we got a Crazy Time Forex. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, not just a bonus round, not just a Crazy Time bonus round, but the one with a top slot upgrade. So this con comes with the extra cream. Yay! Let's add that Forex on the wheel to improve the original setup. And then you will have time to pick one of the flappers. Here it goes. The upgrade has been done. Now the decision time. Green, blue, and yellow flappers are given to you to pick from. If you don't choose anything, then the auto pick feature will do it for you. Best of luck. Okay, guys, so I go green, 400x there on the wheel. Better get it. sugar. Oh, sugar. Oh, sugar. Look at that green flopper, but look at that yellow flopper, though. That gets a double, which means now the potential grows as high as 800x. Ouch! Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 910,000 to 139 euros.
That's 160x, but still quite awesome. So we got 400x in green, 40 on the blue, and 160x on the yellow flopper. That's a quick summary of the end result. 8,000 was altogether 83 or 40,000 euros. Blue eyes and 24.96 second, third place as well. Pretty awesome. Ladies and gents, well done. Huge congrats, everybody. But the blue team, what happened there, huh? Come on, we need another crazy time just for the sake of the blue team. Just for them. But hey, green team, super awesome. The mega wins your.
Here we go. 1,333. What a nice event. No FedEx to draw there. That's a draw two. So let's get betting time. Welcome to Crazy Town. Model plays available. Top slot up to 50x. Enjoy. Information you might find useful. Good luck. Let's go. Watching go 5x top slot. Nice. We're talking about Golem, and then I said French Golem like. I now remember something about Golem. Hey, let's go with 5x. Nice. Oh yeah. Now something's ringing a bell. French Golem like my baguette. And you got banned for it. Oh snap. Well, that's probably why I didn't remember. You got banned for it. 5, 7, 10, 20s, 25, yeah, yeah, 50s, 20s, 200s. I don't know. 5x either way, and our highest score is it's our 1000x. Great. English is not my strong suit today. Double area as well, which is fantastic. Look at that. Oh yeah, can we get a double and then 1,000? That'd be nice. Or 1,000, you know. Either one, which would be nice, you know. Right. Even 250 would be nice. Anything there is pretty nice. Hey, we're gonna double. Oh baby. Yeah. Anyway, that's a 2,000x highest now. Oh man, am I gonna regret climbing these stairs like 17 times today? Probably not. If it's 1,000, I couldn't care less. Come on, baby, give us your money. I want your money. Honestly, at this point, I don't even see anything.
This is the amount of money issued 1,171,849 euros.
4,307 winners. Well done. We got Pepe as well, Saddam, and Valek. Congrats to top 3.
Pepe, beautiful, spicy mother. Let's go.
Congrats, everyone.
That was pretty cool. Great top slot stuff. Anyway, let's go.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.